guys, good morning. So, July 31 today. So, already 9:53 na. Nandito na kami guys ngayon sa may CCIT na department. Tabi lang ng nursing. Because may subject kami dito guys today na contemporary world. From 10:30 AM to 12 noon guys. So, nakakahingal maglakad kasi sobrang layo. So, we're here already. Guys, already 10 at this moment. So, dito kami guys sa my engineering. Tabi lang nito guys yung classroom namin which is CCIT guys. So, I'm waiting for our prof. But our class will start at 10:30. So, meron pa kaming 30 minutes. Unfortunately, we have a quiz. But di pa ako nakaka-review guys. Ngayon pa lang. So, I will take a review. Take a review. Sige yun guys.
Good morning, di ko po kayo mamit. Ay, sino yan? Wala ko sa atin. May klase pala.
So guys, dito yung next class namin. Yan. Ayan yung building guys.
So hi guys, we're at the canteen right now waiting for our last subject for today's video kasi yung iba naming subject is wala pa kaming professor. So ang subject namin for today is ethics, right? Ang ganda na labi ko ba? So, natin nila namin mag 12:30 kasi 12:30 yung klase namin. So, it's 12:05 na. So, we're waiting for our other classmates kasi trip namin back. So, gonna update you guys later. Hi kayo guys! Mga classmates ko, mga Bisais trivial. Mamukha na naman nila, nakasawa na. Kakainis. So, see you later guys! Kasi napaboring ako, mag-vlog ulit ako. Ito kumakain niya sa classmate. Oo. Sana pakita ka na.
It's already 2 at this moment. Pumasok na si Landly guys. Wala siyang klase kanina umaga. So ngayon guys, wala siyang content. Papunta kami guys ng register. Kukuha ako ng non-insurance of ng ID.
Wala kasi sa bundok ko.
Parang mas madali doon. Kasi ba yan, program. Dito ang dito sa likod kasi may department.
Guys,
CTC? Magkiklaim sila CTC.
205 at this moment. Meron na kami binigay na
Mas
slot.
mabilis ba?
Pang last kami guys. Guys, already 3:03 guys, tapos na yung agenda natin dyan. So, nakakuha na ako ng certificate ng ID. Issuance of certificate ng ID guys. Tapos babalik ako bukas for claiming ng COR ko din. Dahil na yung agenda ko dyan sa register. Kaya sobrang haba ng pila guys, sa init. I'm so hungry na, hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Bye!
Need ba tayo ano? Hindi ko pasok. Wala naman sila.
Ayan, pakita mo best.
Gusto ko yung puro pink. Sana.
So guys, already 3:14, so haggard na kami. So ito kami ngayon guys sa SI. Pakita mo ba? So bibili kami ng katleya per hour
Gawin natin tatlo.
requirements sa isang subject
Gago
namin.
ka talaga?
Guys, finally guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
So guys, tapos na kami. Waiting na lang sa kasama.
I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is not like it used to be. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is not like it used to be. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is not like it used to be. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's something in the way. Something in the way. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's something in the way. Something in the way. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's love with someone else like we.
Guys, already 5:15 at this moment. Kakatapos natin dyan sa KFC guys. First time natin. So, okay naman. Mabusog naman tayo guys. So guys, pauwi na kami at this moment guys. So, naglalakad na kami. Papunta ng terminal. And then, nakuha natin guys yung COR kanina. Yun lang naman yung agenda ko ngayon dito sa iba, sa school. To get my COR guys. Grabe, sobrang hiwa ng pila. Kung napanood nyo ka guys sa vlog kanina. So, bye guys. See you on my next vlog.
Meron tayo. Natuloy niyo na dyan, Jeff?
Saan? Sayang ang aircon.
Ay, pwede na lang mag-standing.
10 lang. So guys, finally, nakasakay na kami. Ayun si Eliza.
Hi guys, nakasakay na kami ngayon.
Ang aking kasabay for today.
Akala ko wala nung jeep.
Meron pang guys. May jeep pa guys. Kasi guys, yung sa Victory ngayon guys, hindi kami makakasakay. Yung mga dadaan ng mga Leoson, Leoson lang, tapos San Agustin, tapos Maharang, plus Alwan na. Kasi nga guys, sila yung tuloy dun sa may iba to. So bawal yung mga mabibigat na vehicle. That's why jeep lang kami ngayon. Wala tayong choice.